Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam, and today I'm gonna show you how to delete someone on uh, Life360. So first of all, you will need to create a circle, right? So you will name the circle something. All right. After you've done naming the circle and inviting some people and having some members, and you say, "Well, I'm gonna delete that person. What should I do?" You're gonna go top in the top right, the top left, sorry, and you're gonna click on the gear icon. It will go to circle management, and you're gonna see delete circle members. So if you have a new member or someone that you want to delete, you will select that person, and it will be delete, and you will click delete, and he or she will be deleted permanently. And the same goes for all members. Just make sure that you are the admin of your circle. That wraps it up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, follow it, hit the thumbs up. Last but not least, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.